Bitcoin is currently looking bullish on a 4-hour time frame. We are currently trading at the 40k resistance area, and BTC is about to have a breakout out of this area. Daily time frame is kind of looking neutral because we had the same doji candle at the middle of June, and after that we had a pretty significant reversal, like minus 22% downside. So on a daily time frame, current candle is kind of looking like a doji, but if we're gonna have a close somewhere at the 41k today, it's gonna be insanely bullish for the Bitcoin on a daily time frame. MACD on a daily time frame is looking bullish. RSI is at 68%, which is a little bit overbought. A weekly time frame is looking bullish on everything. MACD is looking bullish. Current trading is above June and July closes. And the highest close that we had on in a June, there was 39k, and we are currently trading at 39.7k. So if we're gonna have a close about 39k on a weekly, it's gonna be insanely bullish on a weekly time frame. And RSI is neutral at 50% on a weekly. So that's a TA based analysis for today. Let's move on for the news. And let's start with the US Senator. US Senator Elizabeth Warren has asked Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen to act with urgency and adopt an appropriate policy to address the risk posed by crypto. That's news from US Senator. After that, we got some news from MasterCard. MasterCard launches global program to help crypto startups scale their innovations. After that, we got some news from Fireblocks. Fireblocks is a blockchain infrastructure firm, and they raised $300 million in its most recent funding, and this company is currently reaching a valuation of $2 billion. After that, we got some news from NBA Cleveland Cavaliers. They are collaborating with blockchain firm Socios.com. After that, we got some news from Stacks Protocol, and according to a recent report, the first trustless swap between the Bitcoin blockchain and Stack Protocol has been executed, and the co-founder of the Stack Protocol, Menupali, tweeted about the native Bitcoin swap and said the progress is a big deal. After that, we got some news from Goldman Sachs. They are filing for the DeFi ETF application. Brazilian Burger King customers can now purchase meat-flavored dog biscuits with a Dogecoin, which is kind of weird, if you're gonna ask me. But okay, I mean, it kind of makes sense to buy dog biscuit with a Dogecoin, but using Dogecoin as a payment currency, it's okay. As you can see, Dogecoin has some use cases nowadays. Okay, that was something interesting. Banks in Kazakhstan to open accounts for registered crypto exchanges. So, companies providing trading services for digital assets will be able to open accounts with banks in Kazakhstan, local media reported, quoting the country's crypto industry association. The service should allow Kazakhs to legally invest in crypto and cash out their profits. So that's kind of positive news from Kazakhstan. So that's all news for today. You can follow us on Twitter, Apple Podcast, Spotify Podcast, on YouTube. That's all news for today. Bitcoin is green as always, at least in this week, which is nice. Currently waiting for the breakout of this 40k resistance. Close at a 41k or above would be insanely bullish. So guys, to the moon.